The following are the summarized balance sheet of a company as on 31st December 2009, 8 and 9. 2 years information they have given in the problem. I'll explain you the items where does it comes and where you have to write. See, equity share capital, it will go for the fund flow statement always, but if in the fund flow statement, and if there is an increase, it will go for the sources side. If there is a decrease, it will go for application side. Sources means inflow, application means outflow. Here there is an increase means sources side you have to write. Debentures also it will go for fund flow statement. Share premium will go for fund flow statement. If there is an increase, write in the sources side. If it is application decrease, write in the application side. General reserve will go for the adjusted profit and loss account. Profit and loss account will go for the profit and loss, adjusted profit and loss account. Sundry creditors will go for the current liabilities, so it will go for the working capital. Proposed dividend, you have to open the account, or the difference will be transferred to the adjusted profit and loss account. Okay, 2008 dividend is paid in 2009, so it means 2009 we have to create a provision. Okay, so this I will explain you while doing the problem. Provision for depreciation, usually the difference will be transferred to adjusted profit and loss account. If there is an adjustment, then open the account. Land and building will go for fixed assets will go for a fund flow statement. Plant and machinery is a fixed assets will go for fund flow statement. Furniture is a fixed assets which will go for fund flow statement. Inventory, sundry debtors and cash is a current assets. It will go for working capital. Okay. Next we'll see the adjustment. Furniture cost is furniture of 5,000. Written down value is 1,000. It means 5,000 minus 1,000. 4,000 is a depreciation. 1,000 machinery was sold for rupees 2,000. It means there is a profit of 1,000 rupees. So you have to show the profit of 1,000 rupees, sale value 1,000 rupees, and a depreciation of 4,000. I mean you have to open the account, furniture account. Plant and machinery account, which is cost 20,000, in respect of which 13,000 has been written off as depreciation, was sold during the year for 3,000. So 20,000 minus 13,000, the value of the machinery is 7,000. It was sold for 3,000. It means there is a loss of 4,000. The dividend of 2008 was paid during 2009. So 2008 dividend, you have to check, it is 20,000. If you go through the problem, it is 20,000. If you check, it is 20,000. So this 20,000 will go for the fund flow statement. 24,000 they have to create a provision. So this 24,000 will go for adjusted profit and loss account. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to open the statement of changes in working capital and a fund flow statement. Okay. Now we will open the statement of changes in working capital. It is 2008 and 9, increase, decrease, cash. This is an increase, write the difference in the increase column. Okay, write the other items, sundry debtors, inventory. If there is an increase, write in the increase side. If there is a decrease, write in the decrease side. Then total it. Current liabilities. Current liabilities you have to check. Only one item you have, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors, if it is increased, write in the decrease column. If it is decreased, write in the increase column. Here it is decreased, write in the increased, write the difference in the decrease column. Then total both the side, total, the difference of this total A minus B is working capital. That is 2,20,000 minus 1,30,000, it is 90,000. 2,16,000 minus 1,50,000, it is 1,50,000. Okay, then 66,000. See, 2,16,000 minus 1,50,000 is 66,000. Now the which total is more here? The total of 90,000 is more. Right, leave one line here, sentence here. Then write 90,000 and 90,000. The difference between 90,000 and 66,000 is 24,000. Right, 24,000. If there is an increase decrease in the item, write here decrease in working capital. Here both the column you have to total, and the highest is 45,000, write both the side, the difference is 24,000. Okay. Now we have to open the accounts. As you know, we have adjustment of furniture, plant and machinery. Okay, so we have to open furniture account, plant and machinery account, provision for plant and machinery account, and provision for depreciation account. See your working note. Here we have to open provision for depreciation on plant and machinery. First you have to write the opening balance and the closing balance. Leave 2-3 lines and write the closing balance together. So opening balance credit side, why? Because it is a credit balance. So buy balance brought down 1,40,000, to balance carried on 1,50,000. After that there is a machinery sold. See the sold machinery depreciation, plant and machinery depreciation, how much? 20,000 machinery is written down, has written off as depreciation. So 13,000 is a depreciation. So when the depreciation is charged, so the entry here is to plant and machinery account 13,000. Okay. Then the difference is a transfer. Now totally the difference will be transferred to adjusted profit and loss account 23,000. Then open a plant and machinery account. Plant and machinery account, you have to write the opening balance first, to balance brought down 2,90,000. Then the sale of the asset, the 3,000. It is given in the problem, it is sold, and 7,000 machinery sold for 3,000. So there is a loss. So adjusted profit and loss account, loss on sale 4,000. Okay. Then they have created a provisions here. So to plant and machinery account, by provision for depreciation on plant and machinery 13,000. Then you have to total both the sides. The difference will be considered as a 2 cash or by cash. Here it is 2 cash, the balancing figure 50,000. So 3,40,000 and 3,40,000, the difference is 50,000. Next we will open another account called provision for depreciation on furniture account. This is also same. You have to first write the credit the balance, which is credit. Provision is a credit balance. So it starts with the credit side, by balance brought down, to balance carried on. Write the opening and closing balance together. After that, to the furniture account, it means the depreciation charged for the sold asset. See, 5,000 machineries, written down value is 1,000. So there was a furniture depreciation 4,000. So to furniture account 4,000. The difference will be balancing figure, adjusted profit and loss account to 2,000. The total of both the side 8,000. Next is furniture account. Furniture account we have to open. Here opening balance, to balance brought down, closing balance, then the depreciation charged. It is charged depreciation here to furniture. It means it is by profit provision for depreciation on furniture. Okay. So then adjusted profit, there is a loss. 1,000 machinery was sold for 2,000. So there is a profit. So to adjusted profit and loss account 1,000. Then the difference will be transferred to cash 6,000. So the total is 16,000. Okay. The total is 16,000. The difference is to cash. Now we have to open a adjusted profit and loss account. So adjusted profit and loss account. Now wherever you have written adjusted profit and loss account, all these will be entered. And in the balance sheet also you have to check. Usually there will be general reserve or any goodwill. Okay, so that you have to show here. See that I have already explained you. To balance brought on, opening balance, write the closing balance carried on. In between this, whatever, say first transfer to general reserve, as I explained you in the problem itself in the beginning, general reserve will come here. Then you have to see the proposed dividend of 2009. 2008 is paid, so 2009 we have to create a provision, so that is 24,000. Then check the account. If you check furniture account, machinery account, there you have written adjusted profit and loss account. That amount you have to show here. Then profit or loss on sale also will come. If it is loss, it is two loss on sale of asset if it is profit by profit on sale of furniture. Okay, so this is general reserve, is dividend created. This you check the account wherever you have written by adjusted profit and loss account, it will come here. After that, close the balance, it will be funds from operation, that is 92,000. Then at the end you have to open fund flow statement, sources and the application side. So sources and application, sources means all the inflows, application means all the outflows. So in the beginning I have explained you as if what are the inflows and outflows. That is, first comes under land and building. If you check share capital, issue of shares will come, inflow 40,000, redemption of debentures 50,000. Then you have share premium 10,000. This I have explained you while doing the problem in the beginning itself. So that's what I am explaining here. You check the balance sheet, you will get it. Okay, so share premium, then purchase of land and building. If it is to cash, then see the account. If it is furniture account, go and check the furniture account. If it is to cash, it is application. By cash means it is sources. So there was a buy plant and buy cash in land and building account. So it is 45,000. I mean to cash, so it is a 45,000 application. If it is by cash, we have sale of furniture 2,000, sale of plant and machinery 3,000. Okay, purchase of plant and machinery 50,000. Then purchase of furniture you have 6,000. This you have to check the working mode. Then dividend paid of 2008 in 2009. So 2008 dividend to 20,000. Then funds from operation you have to show. What is the funds from operation? That is 92,000. Then net decrease in working capital. If it is a decrease, write decrease side. If it is increase, write in the increase side. Then total both the side it should be same, 1,71,000 and 1,71,000. Okay. So go through the problem. Any doubts you can clarify. Thank you.